And San Diego MTS now says 5 of its drivers have tested positive for COVID-19. That's up from 2 earlier this week. And drivers tell 10 News reporter Matt Boone they still haven't been supplied adequate face coverings.
This week, MTS began reducing service along its lines, not just because of low demand, but their CEO, Paul Jablonski, said in a webinar last week they're planning for a lack of drivers.
But building up a reserve of drivers as we begin to see more and more absenteeism.
And that's exactly what happened. 10 News has been in touch with several current and former drivers, all who wish to remain anonymous, citing potential retaliation from MTS. They say 90 drivers called out sick one day this week. MTS wouldn't confirm the numbers, just saying, quote, call-outs are increasing. Fears of layoffs and furloughs have been unfounded so far. The spokesperson telling 10 News, quote, MTS is not laying off employees and no furloughs. Some drivers say they're still concerned for their own health. So far, 5 MTS drivers have tested positive. One of the biggest points of contention has been a lack of masks and PPE, which Jablonski acknowledged last week.
I won't kid you by saying it hasn't always been possible for us to maintain all the levels that we want.
Since then, a spokesperson says, quote, MTS will have enough supply to comply with the order that public transportation employees must wear face coverings. We just received that order for 2,000 masks this week. One driver told 10 News anonymously, I've been using the same mask I received from dispatch since the beginning of the week. Before that, I was driving with no mask because none were provided. They call us essential workers, but hazard pay isn't even considered. MTS says with the decline of ridership fares and sales tax revenue, they'll take a financial hit, but will be eligible for about $200 million from the first federal stimulus package. Matt Boone, 10 News.